we are live here at the NCF covered court for your first game of this Saturday matchup. Again, it's between the CSPC Blue Stallion versus the USI Lady Falcons. At live rin tayo sa ating FB page and Bucal FB page. So Aljon, yung mga nangyari nung last week ay pag-usapan naman natin ngayon bago magsimula ang ating game ngayon.
So last week, it was a great volleyball. We have the women's volleyball. It was played by Bucal University Wolves against the USI Falcons. USI wasn't able to win their first match. They were down 3-0.
O, doon naman tayo sa ating isa pang kupunan na naglaro. Ateneo Lady Knights versus UNC Greyhounds, kung saan ang UNC ay nanaig 3-0 ang naging laban noon, Alden.
So ngayong araw na ito, ang Lady Falcons will be able to come back, and the CSPC Blue Stallions naman, this is their first game, and I'm sure they are well prepared for this competition against the USI Falcons. And to hear some more details about the USI Falcons, let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla.
So yun, babalikan natin mamaya yung ating courtside reporter, si Kyla. So pag-usapan nga natin, Aljon, itong dalawang team na maglalaban ngayon. So first is the CSPC. Itong CSPC, first time nilang maglalaro ngayon dito sa Bucal. CSPC, their coach is Coach Shailene Abela. Ang team captain ay si Rodeline Ekal. At ang sabi nga dito ng ating CSP side, they are aiming for a championship and they will do their best and they will have and give a stallion kick in this game. So, para naman makarinig tayo ng iba pang updates, ating tawagin ang ating courtside reporter all the way from the Blue Stallion bench, Eliza. Hi, Eliza.
Jos Mabalos, Alton and Rick. At sa lahat na nakasubaybay dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Another week and another exciting battle between two schools that will fight for the victory. Kasama ko all the way from Nabua, Camarines Sur to represent my beloved school, ang CSPC Blue Stallions na talaga namang handang-handa ng umarangkada. Ngayong hapon, ang buong Stallions ay pinangungunahan ng Captain Ball na si Rodeline Ekal, habang si Coach Reynalyn Abela naman ang nakangasiwa sa buong kupunan. Bilang isang CSPC and myself, alam na alam ko na ang mga Stallions nga ay hindi nagpapatalo. We're always ready to be the champion. Marami nga ang new players sa lineup ngayong taon, pero panatag pa rin ang mga Stallions na magkakaroon ng magandang laban ngayong hapon. They aim to give pride to their university and to all CSPCians. Ito nga ang unang beses na sasalang ang volleyball team ng CSPC Blue Stallions sa Bucal. Kaya abangan natin kung ano ang mga techniques at ano ang mga pasabog na ipapamalas ng USI at ng CSPCian ngayon. Mukhang magiging mainit nga ang labanan ngayong hapon, kaya wag na natin itong patagalin. Again, this is Mary Bless Eliza Belen ang magbibigay sa inyo ng siksik, liglig na balita, walang labis, walang kulang dito sa loob ng hardcourt. Balik sa inyo, Aljon and Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much sa ating courtside reporter, Eliza. Thank you sa update na yun. At narinig nga natin, Aljon, yung ating courtside reporter. So ang ating CSPC Blue Stallion, ini-aim nga ngayon ang championship dito sa ating liga. At gagawin daw nila ang kanilang best ngayon sa larong ito para makuha ang una nilang panalo. At malayo daw ang kanilang binahe, pero tumpak daw ang kanilang mga routines na gagawin ngayon, sabi ng kanilang coach at ng team captain.
That's right, Rick. Sa USI side naman, the Lady Falcons, although they are lost in their first competition, I was able to talk to their team captain, Ibonya Pauline, and she said to me that they will come stronger and bolder in this match against the Blue Stallions. Their head coach naman, Miss Molina, also told me that they just focus on their routine and maibalik ang laro nila and make a comeback against the Blue Stallions. And to hear some updates on the Lady Falcon side, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Kyla.
Hi, Aljon at Rick at sa lahat ng nakatutok live at GYN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Kyla Casulia, your courtside reporter all the way from USI Lady Falcons. Handang-handa na nga ang lahat sa unang paghaharap ng CSPC Blue Stallions at USI Lady Falcons. Despite of their loss, they are ready to bounce back and win this time. Ayon nga sa head coach na si Krisha Molina, she keeps on reminding the players to have extra efforts at pagigihan ang laban kontra sa Blue Stallions. Ayon naman kay team captain Pauline, we will see the bolder and the stronger Lady Falcons this time. Manaig na kaya ngayon ang Lady Falcons? Yan ang ating abangan. For now, back to you, Rick and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Kyla. So it's the extra effort and the comeback of a stronger and bolder Lady Falcons. So these both teams will showcase the quality volleyball that we want to expect and watch in this season of Bucal.
At alam natin na excited na ang ating mga live audiences na present dito sa ating venue, NCF Covered Court, na talaga namang nakatutok sila at binibigay nila ang kanilang suporta sa both teams.
So we would like also to acknowledge our online viewers. Hello guys, good afternoon. Comment down below kung sinong team ang sinusuportahan ninyo in this season of Bucal.
Ayan, dalawang strong teams ang maglalaban ngayon, isang first-timer at ang isa ay magbabounce back sa kanilang pagkatalo ng una nilang game. So, Aljon, excited ka na, alam ko at nafe-feel ko yon. Ano ba ang maging mga feeling mong mangyayari ngayon? Ano ba, excited ka ba?
I am thrilled and very excited because CSPC, this is their first game, and first game is quite a bit nervous for the team. Oh, on the side naman of the Lady Falcons, I'm sure that they will make a comeback because we know that the stronger and bolder USI is now firing up for our first set later.
So first game ng first match natin ngayong Saturday match-up. It's between the CSPC Blue Stallion and USI Lady Falcons.
Fast break left. It's good. Fast break left. It's good.
And we are back live here at the NCF Covered Court for your Bucal Season 4 Women's Volleyball.
And with that, we would like also to acknowledge the Bucal President, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva. He is watching right now here live at the NCF Covered Court.
Very supportive talaga ang ating Bucal President. Maraming salamat po sa inyong presensya.
That's true, Rick. So we'd also like to acknowledge our online viewers, 169 online viewers, and shout out to Mary May L. Rubio. Best luck daw for the Stallions. Dito naman kay Chacha for the Go-Go, the CSPC, and the Rochelle De Los Santos, go CSPC again. And for John Lloyd Avenido, go Christopher Nefi Torrio. Perhaps He has an idol in this court.
At yun na nga, Aljon, ang set 1 ay magsisimula na. Naririnig natin ang mga hiyawan dito sa loob ng ating venue, NCF Covered Court. Maraming salamat sa inyong support.
And we have the starting players of USI, their team captain, Ebonia Pauline, number 7, 12, Butin, 17, Ajero, 8, Olpina, 2, Rialoque, their libero, number 13, Javier, with their head coach, Miss Molina.
Dito naman sa ating Blue Stallion side, jersey number 1, Ekal, their team captain. Jersey number 9, Fermante. Number 6, Alarcon. Number 18, Binyas. Number 4, Lastrolio. Number 15, Dimabayaw. 14, Del Rivero, Valenzuela. And number 2, Ramboyong.
And serving for the first set, Blue Stallions. And that was an ace for the Blue Stallions.
Unang puntos ay manggagaling sa ating Blue Stallion. What a service ace. So una pa lang, nakita na natin na nakapuntos dito ang ating Blue Stallion via service ace. Serving again, jersey number 1 for the Blue Stallion.
An over receive, and it was pop up by the USI. Blue Stallions tries one more time. Good coverage, Lady Falcons.
It was
That
not,
straight to the net by the Falcons.
so nakita natin doon, Aljon, it was not over ang nagawa ng attacker ng ating USI Lady Falcons.
Still serving the Blue Stallions. A great serve again from Blue Stallions.
Una pa lamang at nagpapaula na ng mga service aces ang kupunan ng ating Blue Stallions.
Lady Falcons is now finding rhythm for this first set.
Mainit na simula dito sa ating kupunan ng Blue Stallion.
And that was straight to the net.
So unang puntos ng ating Lady Falcons. Now serving jersey number 17 from Lady Falcons.
A great serve.
Nice
Ano?
serve.
What a hustle by the Blue Stallions. Chance to counter for USI. An overset. Pick up by the Blue Stallions. Number 15. And that was straight to the net.
Not over. At puntos ay ibibigay sa ating USI Lady Falcons. So rinig natin dito, Aljon, ang suporta ng ating mga supporters ng both teams.
It's now 3-2 ahead ng isa ang Blue Stallions. A pipe set. Regalo for Blue Stallions!
And with that, abante dito ng dalawa ang ating Blue Stallions, 4-2. Serving jersey number 4.
Taking her time to serve.
Nice pick up by number 16. Free ball ang ibibigay ng
Chance to
ating Lady
counter for Blue
Falcons.
Stallions. Pick up by Falcons. A free ball. Chance to counter for Blue Stallions, number 3. And it was pick up by the Blues. Oh, and it was. And
Sayang, it was a good intention pero nanggigil ang ating jersey number 18 sa Stallions. Now serving jersey number 12. Nice serve.
chance to counter for Blue Stallions. A free ball. Falcons. And that was inside. Touches the line.
Kitang-kita doon ang butas sa ating side ng Blue Stallion. Kaya naman, puntos ay bibigay sa ating USI Lady Falcons.
We are now tied to 4-4.
Serving jersey number 12.
A great one over receive. Pick up by number 12, Blue Stallion. And it was a miscommunication. Point to Lady Falcons.
So nakikita natin dito, Aljo, na palitan ng puntos ang both teams nito sa loob ng NCF covered court. Again, serving jersey number 12.
A free ball for the Falcons. Again, a free ball. Chance to counter for Blue Stallions. Pipe attack, and it was outside.
Puntos ay ibibigay sa ating Lady Falcons. So, abante na dito ang ating Lady Falcons. Again, thank you so much sa ating mga FB Live viewers na talaga namang nakatutok at sumusuporta dito sa ating Bucal Season 4 Women's
A
Volleyball.
service error committed by the Falcons, number 12.
Serving jersey number 18. Nice pick up set by number 17 and attack by number 8.
A good pickup by the Blue Stallions.
Nice up by 17.
And then a great spike by the Lady Falcons.
So kitang-kita natin dito ang mga attackers ng both teams na talaga namang nagpapalitan ng puntos.
We are now 7 in favor of the USI Falcons.
Nice serve,
A good hustle by the Falcons.
pero hindi ito nagawa ng paraan ng ating Lady Falcons. Kaya naman ibibigay ang puntos sa ating Blue Stallions. 6-7 ang ating talaan, lamang dito ang USI ng isa.
Serving Stallions, number 15. And it was outside.
So nakikita natin dito palitan ng puntos at palitan din ng error, Aljon. Ano ba ang masasabi mo dito sa ating unang set dito?
They have to minimize their service error because if they let it to commit a lot of errors in this first set, baka madali tayo ng madaming errors at baka nga matambakan ang both teams.
At yun nga, Aljon, from the last sequence, a great swipe by jersey number 9 of Blue Stallion. So nakikita natin dito ang high volleyball IQ ng ating different players ng both teams. Serving jersey number 9.
A great serve. Chance to counter for Falcons. And it was a float spike.
Too much spice on that attack coming from jersey number 8 of Lady Falcons. So again, tie na naman tayo. 8-8 ang ating talaan. Good
Shot
serve. What a service ace coming from jersey number 9, Fermante. So halatang praktisado talaga dito ang ating CSPC Blue Stallion kasi unang set pa lang nagpapaulan na sila ng kanyang mga service aces.
Again, serving number 9, Stallions. An overseed. A free ball for the Falcons. Chance to counter for Falcons, number 13. A great coverage by the Stallions. Chance to counter. And it was good!
So kitang-kita doon ang butas, a donut hole sa gitna ng Lady Falcons. Kaya naman nakapuntos ang ating Stallions. Serving jersey number 9. Up by number 16 and a free ball coming from USI Lady Falcons.
Chance to counter for Stallions. And it was good!
Another great attack by jersey number 1, their team captain of Blue Stallion. Talaga namang nakikita natin dito ang experience at ang giggle factor ng ating Blue Stallion sa unang laro pa lang ng ating match.
A great receive. And that was a 1-2 play error committed by number 17 of the Falcons.
So we have a timeout called by our USI Lady Falcons. This is Bucal Season 4 Women's Volleyball only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Fast break layup. It's good. It's good.
And we are back live here at the NCF Covered Court and live on GN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Blue Stallions is ahead by 4 over 8 of the Falcons.
So kitang-kita talaga dito ang energy ng ating both teams pero lamang pa rin ang ating CSPC Blue Stallion. So Aljon, as a volleyball player, nakikita natin na nagpapaula ng service aces ang kupunan ng Blue Stallion. Ano ba ang importansya ng ating service ace at ng ating
First,
service?
I am amused by how these Blue Stallions execute their service. Basic and fundamental actually yung service aces kasi isang mabigat na serve is equal to a point.
So yun, nakikita nga natin dito na nagkakaroon ng long rally sa dalawang kupunan.
Chance to counter for Blue Stallions. A free ball.
Up by number 17. And a great pick up by the libero of the Blue Stallion. So we are witnessing a long rally here,
Number
Aljon.
13, a good pick up by the libero of Blue Stallions.
Free ball ang ibibigay ng ating Blue Stallion sa ating Lady Falcons.
Number 13, an overset. And it was an error.
So kailangan limitahan ng ating Lady Falcons ang kanilang error kasi abante dito ng ang ating CSPC Blue Stallion 13-9. Serving jersey number 6 for Blue Stallion.
Taking her time.
Up by number 12 and free ball coming from jersey number 13.
Chance to counter for Blue Stallions. And it was a great dig.
Buhay
by
ang
number
bola
17
dito,
of
Aljon.
Falcons. A great attack by the Blue Stallions.
So ginamit niya dito ang tangkad niya upang umibabaw sa blocker ng ating Lady Falcons. Puntos ay ibibigay sa ating Blue Stallion.
Matanong naman kita, Rick, ano ba ang importance or gaano ba kahalaga ang height sa volleyball?
So makikita natin na ang height is a very good advantage kung sino man sa ating kupunan kasi nagkakaroon sila ng magandang depensa sa net at talaga namang na i-intimidate ang spiker ng kabilang grupo kaya naman height advantage is very important in this kind of
For the
matchup.
meantime, we're seeing a long rally. Number 12, and it was straight to the net.
So again, error. They need to minimize their error kung gusto nilang makahabol dito sa game na ito.
We would like also to shout out of our online viewers, the supporters of both teams. Shout out to Ray Barella, Go Mayor Ramboyong. I guess she is a player of one of these teams.
So ramdam na ramdam talaga natin. Ang init, even outside the court, yung mga supporters ng both teams nagpapadala ng mga messages sa kanilang mga idols dito sa loob ng court.
For the meantime, it was a great serve by the Falcons.
15-11, lamang pa rin dito ang ating Blue Stallion. Serving jersey number 13 for Lady Falcons. But it was outside. Puntos ay bibigay sa ating Blue
It was a
Stallion.
service error again coming from the Falcons.
Serving jersey number 1, team captain of Blue Stallion, Ekal.
A great serve again. Nice
So
pick
free
up by
ball
Falcons.
ang ibibigay ng ating Lady Falcons.
Chance to counter for Blue Stallions. And that was great down the line.
So again, kitang-kita ng Blue Stallion ang butas dito sa kabilang kupunan, ang Lady Falcons, na kailangan namang paigtingin ang kanilang floor defense at ang kanilang communication inside the court.
The Stallions is now showcasing the variety of their spikes, the cross courts, and down the line attacks.
And again, Aljon, another service ace coming from the Blue Stallion. So kahit ito ang kanilang first game, pinapatunayan ng ating Blue Stallion na may laban sila at gustong-gusto nila ang larong ito. Meanwhile, dito naman sa ating Lady Falcons side, meron man silang mga errors pero unti-unti humahabol sila dito sa kanilang kalabang Blue Stallions.
Chance to counter for Falcons. And it was outside.
So jersey number 7 is contesting to our referee that it was a touch ball pero ay puntos ibibigay sa ating Blue Stallion. Lamang na dito ng 8 ang ating Blue Stallions.
An over receive, and it was outside. Great service ace from the Blue Stallions.
So gaya nga Aljon ang sinabi mo kanina na ang serve is a basic or fundamental dito sa volleyball na talaga namang kailangan mong pag-igihan kasi ito ang magiging first offense nila sa laro, ang serving. So timeout was called by our USI Lady Falcons. Lamang dito ang ating CSPC 20-11. This is Bucal Season 4 Women's Volleyball. Only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
And we're back here live at the NCF covered court and live on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Blue Stallions is ahead by 9.
Too much spice on that serve coming from our Blue Stallion. So puntos ay ibibigay sa ating Lady Falcons. 20-12. Abante pa rin dito ang ating Blue Stallion. Now serving jersey number 17 for Lady Falcons.
Chance to counter for Stallions. And it was outside.
Walang nakuhang blockers dito ang ating Blue Stallion. Kaya naman, attack error coming from Blue Stallion. Serving jersey number 17.
A great serve. Chance to counter for Stallions. And that catches the line.
Again, Aljo, nakikita natin dito na ang ating Blue Stallion ay pinupunterya ang ating mga end line na kung saan hindi nakukuha or natataas ng ating Lady Falcons. Puntos ay ibibigay sa ating Blue Stallion. At Aljon, 4 na points na lang at makukuha na ng ating Blue Stallion ang set na ito.
That's right, Rick. For the meantime, serving number 4 for the Stallions.
Up by number 17.
Chance to counter for Stallions. A great coverage. No, it was point to the Falcons.
No entry said by the blockers of this Lady Falcons. So naririnig natin dito ang hiyawan sa loob ng ating NCF covered court. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa suportang ipinapamalas at ibinibigay nyo.
A
Nice
great
serve.
coming from Falcons. A free ball for them.
Up by number 17.
Ibonya, and that was straight to the net.
So again, it's a very crucial situation para dito sa ating Lady Falcons. Kailangan nilang i-minimize ang kanilang error kasi 3 puntos na lang at makukuha na ng Blue Stallions ang larong ito.
A great serve coming from the Stallions.
So again, Aljon, it's their service aces na talaga namang nagiging key dito sa kanila para makuha ang set number 1. Another sharp serve.
Chance to manufacture a point for the Stallions. A great coverage from the Falcons.
Up by 16 and a free ball given by the Lady Falcons.
And that was a 1-2 play. Point to the Blue Stallions.
So ayan, Aljon, rinig na natin ang mga fans ng ating CSP Stallion kasi sila ay nasa set point na.
They just need 1 point to close this first set.
Serving jersey number 18.
And that was down the line for the Falcons. Point to the USI.
So Aljon, kailangan dito bumuo ng momentum ng ating Lady Falcons para sa pagpasok ng set number 2, magkaroon sila ng advantage. At dito naman sa ating Blue Stallion, kailangan nilang i-keep up ang good work nila para sunod-sunod na makuha ang set na ito.
A great serve coming from the Falcons.
Free ball ang ibibigay ng ating Blue Stallions.
Chance to counter for the Falcons. A great coverage.
And a great attack by jersey number 9 of Blue
And
Stallion.
that's the end of our first set. 25-15 of the USI Falcons. At magbabalik po kami para sa ating second set. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break left. It's good.
I am Kyla M. Casulia, 21 years old from Naga College Foundation, a third-year student taking up Bachelor of Arts in Communication. I will be a courtside reporter this coming Bucal Season 4. I do not have experience in volleyball, but I am playing lawn tennis. You can expect that I will give you an updates that are concise yet relevant. Sabay-sabay nating tuklasin at alamin ang magagaling na manlalaro sa Bicol. See you there!
Fast break left. It's good.
We We are back live here at the NCF Covered Court for your Bucal Season 4 Women's Volleyball. So ayun nga Aljo na naig sa set 1 ng ating CSPC Blue Stallion with a score of 25/15. So ano kaya ang magiging adjustment ng ating Lady Falcons dito sa upcoming set number 2? At doon naman sa ating Blue Stallion, ano ba ang kanilang magiging consistent games and play para makuha ang pangalawang set? Para sa ating update, let's call our courtside reporter all the way from the bench of Lady Falcons, Kayla. Hi Kayla, kumusta ka dyan? Ano ang update?
Aljon at Rick, ayon nga kay Assistant Coach Maros, na kulangan sa efforts at diskarte ang Lady Falcons kaya hindi nila nasungkit ang first set. Ayon kay Coach, magpatuloy lang at huwag panghinaan ng loob dahil hindi pa tapos ang laban at babawi pa sila sa mga susunod na set. Good communication nga ang puhunan ayon naman kay Team Captain Pauline. Masungkit na kaya nila ang second set this time? Yan ang ating abangan. For now, back to you, Aljon and Rick.
Thank you so much Kayla for that update. So Aljo, narinig nga natin dito na hindi naging maganda ang kanilang first set dahil sa lack of communication na talaga namang importante dito sa play na ito. At sabi nga ng kanilang coach, ipagpatuloy kung ano ba ang pre-practice nila during their practice and rehearsals para makuha ang set number 2 at hindi daw nila hahayaang kunin pa ng ating Blue Stallion ang set na ito.
And our first set goes to the Blue Stallions. They have a strong service aces, the variation of spikes. That's why they was able to get their first set. And to hear more some updates kung ano nga ba ang naging backbone ng Blue Stallions, let's call it our courtside reporter all the way from the Blue Stallion side, Eliza.
Umarangkada nga agad ng isang panalo ang CSPC Blue Stallions. Marami nga ang sumusuporta ang CSPCians na bumiyahe pa ng halos isang oras para suportahan at makita ang bangis ng kanilang team. Naging puhunan nila ang malupitang spikes and blocks para makuha ang panalo sa set 1. Pinapainit pa lang ng CSPC Stallions ang NCF covered court. Kaya alamin natin ang susunod na kaganapan sa set 2. Back to you, Aljon and Rick.
Thank you so much, Eliza. So their backbone is the spikes, their offensive, and their block is their offensive department. So makikita talaga natin na pag na-maximize yung spiking and blockings, is sure, win talaga.
So yun nga Aljo, nakita natin na sa first set nagpaula ng service aces ang ating Blue Stallion at dito naman sa ating Lady Falcons gagawin daw nila ang best nila ngayong second set para makuha ito at papahirapan daw nila ang Blue Stallion.
We would like also to greet and shout out our online viewers. Hello everyone. Hello to our 239 live viewers. Thank you so much for your enthusiastic supports in our live stream. Thank you so much for supporting the both teams of this first match.
So ayun Aljon, I'm so excited dito sa papaumpisa ng ating set number 2. Again, it's a matchup between the Blue Stallion versus Lady Falcon. So Aljon, dun sa ating first set, ano ba ang nakita mo dito sa ating Lady Falcon side?
I think they have been lacking when it comes to communication. They have been building their rhythm in the first set pa lang. So I'm sure sana maka-adjust sila at mahanap and makuha nila ang rhythm nila inside the court.
So Aljon, pagdating naman dito sa ating Blue Stallion, kahit nga sinabi nilang first game nila ito, pero ito ay kukunin nila at gusto nilang manalo dito sa ating larong ito.
And the set 2 is now firing up.
Ano kaya ang magiging adjustment dito sa ating Lady Falcons? At ano naman ang magiging consistent play na manggagaling dito sa ating Blue Stallion? Yan ang aabangan natin, Aljon, dito sa ating set number 2.
So it's all about the consistency of Blue Stallions and the comeback of the Lady Falcons. So Rick, ano nga bang nangyari sa ating first set?
So based on their statistics, CSPC Stallion, Blue Stallion and USI Lady Falcons. So dito sa ating spiking department, meron dito ang Blue Stallions ng 10 kontra 3 lang ng ating Lady Falcons. Sa ating block, 6 ang ating Lady Falcons and 0 sa ating Blue Stallions. Service dito sa ating service ace, 6 Blue Stallion kontra sa isa lang ng ating Lady Falcons. At dito sa ating opponent error, kahit lumabang dito ang ating Blue Stallion na maximize nila ito sa iba pang department.
And for the meantime, serving from the Falcons, number 7. A great serve. Oh, that was straight to the net. Point to the Lady Falcons.
So naririnig natin dito ang cheer ng side ng ating Lady Falcons. Kailangan natin dito ang kanilang presensya upang makuha ng Lady Falcons ang pangalawang set na ito. Dito naman sa ating Blue Stallions, kailangan lang nilang maging consistent sa kanilang play upang makuha ng sunod itong set number 2.
Chance to counter for the Falcons. And that was pick up with the Blue Stallions. Great pick up by the Falcons. Number 13. And it was down the line.
So rinig ang hiyawan ng ating mga fans dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. So it was a good start coming from the Lady Falcons. 2-0 ang naging talaan natin ngayon, Aljen.
Still serving number 17, Falcons. A chance to counter for the Stallions. And it was a great spike from the Stallions.
So jersey number 18, binigyan tayo ng pangbalakasang attack upang makapuntos sa set number 2. Serving jersey number 4 for Blue Stallions.
Taking her time to serve.
Nice up by number 13, set by number 17.
Chance to counter for Stallions. A great pick up for the Falcons. Number 13. A good defense coming from the Stallions.
Long rally ang masasaksiyan natin dito ngayon, Aljon.
Combination play, and that was good!
Through the block, coming from jersey number 15 of Blue Stallions. So namamaximize talaga dito, Aljon, ang attacking department ng ating Blue Stallion.
That's right, Rick. So we saw the combination play coming from the Stallions.
Serving jersey number 4. Up by number 7.
Chance to counter for the Falcons.
Free ball ang ibibigay.
And it was straight to the antenna. Automatic point to the Falcons.
So puntos ay ibibigay sa ating USI Lady Falcons. Serving jersey number 12. Nice serve.
Chance to counter for the Falcons. And it was overcooked.
Outside. Too much spice on that attack coming from Benyas of Blue Stallion. So abante dito ng dalawa ang ating Lady Falcons. 4-2 ang ating talaan. Serving jersey number 12.
Taking her time to serve. A great serve coming from the Falcons.
So free ball ang ibibigay ng ating Blue Stallion.
Falcons with the attack. No, it was dug up by the Stallions. And it was straight to the net.
So again, error committing on the Blue Stallion side.
A straight to the net. Point to the Stallions.
So lamang dito, Aljon, ang ating Lady Falcons. Aabangan natin dito ang mainit na labanan between these two teams. Serving number 18.
It was outside point to the Lady Falcons.
Again, palitan ulit ng errors ang nangyayari dito sa ating loob ng NCF covered court.
We also would like to acknowledge our online viewers. Shout out to you all, to Jessa May Navales, Go CSPC, and to Maryjoy Moleda Laban CSPC.
And we would like to thank our sponsors, Naga College Foundation, 3 de Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Congressman Gabby Bordado, 3rd District Camarines Sur, Lemon Residences, Mangcoks Kinalas, Mansonic Security Agency, NCF Wings, DLMR Psychometric Center, Nagayan Travels and Tours, Doña Osang Restaurant and Catering Services.
For the meantime, serving number 15 from the Stallions. And it was straight to the net.
So Aljo, nakikita natin dito ang errors ng both teams natin na talaga namang nagiging problema nila upang makaabante ng puntos dito sa larong ito. Serving jersey number 2. But it was outside. Back-to-back service errors ang ating nasaksihan dito, Aljon.
Serving from the Stallions, number 9. Chance to counter for the Falcons. Ebonia, it was picked up.
Up by number 14.
An overset, and it was good.
Nakita natin na nagawa ng paraan ni jersey number 3 na maitawid ang bola at magkaroon ng puntos. So, CSPC is down by 1. 7-6 ang ating talaan.
Straight to the net, point to the Lady Falcons.
So mapapansin natin dito, Aljon, na bumabalik na ang groove ng ating Lady Falcons coming from that defeat on our first set.
On the serving line, Lady Falcons, number 8.
Another service error coming from jersey number 8.
Serving number 3, Stallions.
Back-to-back error ang nakikita natin dito, Aljon.
So Rick, matanong naman kita, gaano ba ka-importansya ang ma-maximize or ma-decrease yung errors when it comes to serving?
In this kind of matchup, Aljon, kailangan talagang limitahan ang kanilang errors kasi ito ang nagpapahirap sa kanila upang manalo sa matchup na ito. If you have good defense and offense and if you minimize your errors, I'm sure makukuha mo ang set na ito.
That's right, Rick. So the both teams should maximize their serving errors in the second set.
Back to the ball game tayo, Aljon. Up by number 4 of Stallions.
Team captain, and it was good!
Nakikita natin dito ang talino sa loob ng court ng ating Blue Stallion coming from that drop. A donut hole ang nakita ng ating team captain na si Ekal.
Team captain serving. A great serve. Chance to counter for the Falcons.
Violation ang itatawag sa side ng ating Lady Falcons, crossing.
Still serving, team captain.
Taking her time to have a great serve. Nice pick up by
Chance to
Lady
counter for the
Falcons.
Falcons. A great offense from the Stallions. A great hustle, but it wasn't a live point to the Stallions.
So Aljo, nakikita natin dito na maganda naman ang pinapakita ng ating Lady Falcons pero hindi nako-convert into points. Ano ba ang nakikita mong magandang ginagawa ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions dito?
I'm seeing that they have a variation when it comes to their spikes. They're actually smart, seeing the donut holes, finding the lines, and they're spiking. Also, they are great when it comes to service.
And their defense, ang kanilang panglaban dito sa ating Lady Falcons. So tie na nga tayo dito, Aljon. 10-10 ang ating nasa talaan. Serving jersey number 1. But it was outside.
Puntos.
Ay ibibigay sa ating Lady Falcons.
Serving number 17 from the Falcon side.
So ayan, Aljo, nakikita ko dito sa ating loob ng court, dumadagdag na ang ating mga live audiences. Kasi ito pala ang ating unang match, meron pa tayong dalawang hinihintay mamaya.
Right, Rick, because this is a triple header match for this afternoon.
So, sit back and relax. Sulitin natin ang ating nasasaksihan ngayon, mga live audiences. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Back to the ball game tayo, Aljon.
USI is now up by 2.
free ball, and a miscommunication on the side of our Blue Stallion.
We're seeing now that the Falcons is finding their rhythm in the second set.
And we have a timeout called by our Blue Stallion. This is Bucal Season 4 Women's Volleyball. We will be right back.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
We're back in the second set in this Naga College Foundation covered court and live on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are now 11/13 of the Falcons. Dalawa na lang nga ang lamang ng Falcons sa second set.
Back to the ball game. Jersey number 4 is now serving. Up by number 17 and attack by jersey number 12 of Lady Falcons.
Chance to counter for the Stallions. A soft touch. And it was touches the antenna, point to the Stallions.
A great matchup between these two teams. Halatang halata naman talaga na prepared sila dito sa larong ito.
We would like all to acknowledge our online viewers, their overwhelming supports for this both teams. Sabi nga ni Robert Ross Almazan, go CSPC. At sabi naman ni Joshua Laban, Stallions.
So 13 all tayo ngayon, Aljon. Nakikita natin na dikit talaga ang laban between these two strong teams.
That's right, Rick. For the meantime, taking her time to serve from the Stallion side, number 4. And it was a great serve coming from the Stallions.
So lamang na dito ang ating Blue Stallion. Sa isang iglap lang, Aljon, nakita natin dito na sila na ang nasa lead sa set number 2. Again, taking her time, serving jersey number 4 for Blue Stallion.
Taking her time to serve.
Great pick up by number 13, set up by 17.
And it was outside, point to the Stallions.
Walang check ball ang itatawag dito sa ating Lady Falcon. So puntos ay ibibigay sa ating Blue Stallion. Abante na sila ng dalawa, 15-13. Serving jersey number 4. Set by number 7.
Chance to counter for Falcons. Oh, deflected. Stallions. A pipe attack. And it was through the block. Point to the Lady Falcons.
Not this time, sabi ng spiker ng ating USI Lady Falcons. So sabi daw ng ating Lady Falcons, kanina ka pa, number 18 dito sa ating Blue Stallions.
Serving from the side of the Falcons, number 12. And it was catches the line.
So it's very crucial situation ang nangyari doon. Akala ng ating Blue Stallion is outside na yon, pero it touches the line.
We are now tied to 15 all.
A great match-up. Habunan lang to, Aljon, ng puntos. Service error coming from jersey number 12.
CSPC ahead ngayon ng isang puntos.
Serving jersey number 16 for the Blue Stallion.
Straight to the net. Tayo na naman tayo, Rick. 16 all.
So ramdam na ramdam talaga natin dito ang init ng laban between these two great teams. Walang nagpapaiwan, habulan ng score ang nangyayari dito sa loob. And again, back-to-back service error ang ibinibigay ng dalawang kupunan dito sa loob ng NCF covered court.
We're now on the end of our second set at 17-16 in favor to the Stallion side.
Nice pick up by number 4, set by number 3, and attack by number 9.
We are seeing a long rally here, Rick.
Nice attack by their team captain of Blue Stallion, Ekal. So, rinig na rinig doon sa approach niya sa bola. Kung gaano kalakas ang spike na iyon na talaga namang nakapagbigay ng puntos sa ating Blue Stallion.
They are now ahead too in this second set. A great coverage from number 17 of the Falcons.
Free ball ang ibibigay. And
And
another!
there was a corner pocket coming from the Stallions.
So again, nakikita natin dito kung gaano ka-consistent ang ating spiker sa ating Blue Stallion.
And we have a timeout called by the Falcons. They are down by 3 points over 19 of the Stallions. Magbabalik po kami dito lang sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
Here at the NCF covered court for your Bucal Season 4 Women's Volleyball. So abante nga dito ng tatlo ang ating CSPC Blue Stallion. 19-16 ang ating nasa talaan.
And we're seeing a long rally here, Rick. Chance to counter for the Stallions. A great coverage, but it wasn't a live point to the Stallions.
So ayun, Aljon, umabot na tayo sa ating 20-point mark kung saan 5 na lang puntos makukuha na ng ating CSPC ang set na ito.
We are now in the end of our second set. Kailangang habulan dito ng Falcons at makapuntos sa second set na ito.
So Aljon, in this kind of crucial situation, ano ba ang nagiging problema ng ating Lady Falcons ngayon?
Again, I'm seeing the miscommunication and the lack of their huddle and their teamwork. Also, their spiking is quite a bit low in this second set, Rick.
So it's very crucial na magkaroon sila ng errors at yun nga, another service ace ang makukuha ng ating Blue Stallions. Time out coming from our USI Lady Falcons. This is Bucal Season 4 Women's Volleyball. Only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup.
We are back here live at the NCF Covered Court and live on GYN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Blue Stallions is now ahead by 6/16 of the Falcons. And that was a service ace coming from the Stallions.
2 points na lang, Aljon, at secured na, makukuha na ng ating Blue Stallion ang pangalawang set na ito. Serving jersey number 15 for the Blue Stallion side. Another sharp serve and another service ace ang ibibigay ng ating jersey number 15 sa koponan ng Blue Stallion.
Sumatanong naman kita, Rick, gaano ba ka-crucial and ka-importante ang service aces pag nasa patapos na tayo ng set?
So, in this kind of situation, Aljon, kailangan nila talagang paigtingin ang kanilang service. Kasi, sabi ko nga kanina, it is the first offense of the game. At talaga namang pinapakita ng ating Blue Stallion na magaling sila sa department na iyon.
And that's the end of our second set. Blue Stallions was able to snatch the second set, 25/16 of the Falcons. At magbabalik po kami para sa ating third set. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good.
Hi everyone, I am Mary Bless Eliza Balan, 18, from CAMARINES Polytechnic Colleges, taking up Bachelor's of Science in Development Communication, and I will be your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4. I grew up really sheltered and hindi rin ako masyadong sporty. But I am an active dancer and public speaker, so I really enjoy the spirit of the crowd. Kaya naman nung nagkaroon ng chance to be part of the Bucal Season 4, grinab ko talaga siya agad. Ngayong season, ihahatid ko sa inyo ang siksik liglig, walang labis, walang kulang na balita sa loob at labas ng hardcourt. Bucal Season 4 is fast approaching, kaya naman samahan nyo kaming tuklasin kung sino ang susunod na kampiyon. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good.
We are live back here at the NCF Covered Court for your Bucal Season 4 Women's Volleyball. And yun nga, Aljon, dalawang set ang nakuha ng ating Blue Stallions. Isa na lang na set at mananalo na at makukuha na nila ang game na ito. So, ano kaya ang magiging adjustment dito ng ating Lady Falcons at dito naman sa side ng ating Blue Stallion? Ano ba ang kanilang gagawing consistent play para makuha na ang game na ito?
The Lady Falcons weren't able to win the second set. We're seeing a miscommunication. They're also struggling on their spiking department. And to hear some details on the Lady Falcons side, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Kyla. Kumusta sa side ng Lady Falcons?
Rick and Alzon, patuloy nga na pinapaalahanan ni Coach Krisha ang Lady Falcons na patuloy na mag-efforts at iwasan ng service error sa mga susunod na set. Dagdag pa niya, kailangan ng good connection and communication sa loob ng court para maiwasan ang miscommunication. Patuloy naman ang paalala ni Assistant Coach Maros na huwag panghinaan ng loob at magpatuloy lang dahil tunay nga na hindi pa tapos ang laban. Makabawi pa kaya sa third set ang Lady Falcons? Yan ang ating abangan. For now, back to you, Aljon and Rick.
Thank you so much, Kyla. So it's the effort, and USI Falcons must maximize their errors in order to make a point after point.
So dito naman sa ating kupunan ng Blue Stallions, ano kaya ang magiging consistent play nila para makuha na ang set na ito? At nakikita nga natin dito, Aljon, na isang set na lang makukuha na ng ating first time na maglaro dito sa ating Bucal Season 4 Women's Volleyball ang ating larong ito. So to hear more update, let's hear our courtside reporter all the way from the bench of Blue Stallion, Eliza. Hi Eliza, anong update natin dyan?
Nagpatuloy nga ang magandang pag-arangkada ng CSPC Stallions sa set 2. Puso ang naging puhunan ng Stallions sa set na ito dahilan para maalpasan nila ang USI Falcons. Tuloy-tuloy na kaya ito hanggang set 3 at maghahanda na sa victory party ang CSPC Stallions o mauungusan pa sila ng USI Falcons. Yan ang abangan natin dito sa GYMNASIUM Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Eliza, for that update. So narinig nga natin, Aljon, na puso ang puhunan dito sa larong ito ng ating Blue Stallion. At isang set na lang, makukuha na nito ang ating game number 1. So para sa naging statistic natin, Aljon, dito sa set 2, ano ba ang mga naging top priority nitong ating Blue Stallion compared dito sa ating Lady Falcons?
Looking at the statistic of both teams, the spikes of the Stallions is 9/3 of the Lady Falcons. The blocks is equal to 0. The nagpaulan nga ng 5 service ace ang Blue Stallions over 1 of the Falcons, and the errors naman is 11/12 of the Stallions. So makikita talaga natin ang spikes at ang service aces talaga namang malakas dito sa panig ng Blue Stallions.
At yun ang abangan natin dito. Mag-uumpisa na ang ating set number 3. Wearing jersey number 17 is now serving for the Lady Falcons. Nice pick up by number 2.
Chance
Set
to
up by
counter
number 4.
for the Stallions. Good pick up by the Falcons. A great dig by the Stallions.
So we are witnessing, Aljon, here a long rally between these two teams. Pero error na nagmula sa ating Lady Falcons. At unang puntos ay manggagaling sa ating CSPC Blue Stallion.
We're now tied 1 apiece.
Serving jersey number 4.
And it was straight to the net.
Another service error ang makikita natin dito sa side ng ating Blue Stallion. Serving jersey number 8 for the Lady Falcons.
Taking her time to serve. It was in.
Short serve.
And that was a smart move coming from the Stallions.
So nakita natin doon, Aljon, coming from that broken play, naipuntos pa rin ang ating Blue Stallion dito sa larong ito.
That's right.
So kitang-kita talaga dito ang butas sa kupunan ng ating Lady Falcons.
And it was wide point to the Falcons.
So habang tumatagal, mas lalong dumarami ang ating mga live audiences dito sa ating NCF covered court na talaga namang rinig na rinig ang suporta sa ating mga manlalaro at sa ating Bucal Season 4 Women's
And with that, Rick, would like also again to acknowledge our online viewers. We have 209 viewers. Sabi na nga ni Jasmine Corvera, go CSPC, go, go, go CSPC. Makikita talaga natin dito na ang daming sumusuporta sa ating Blue Stallions.
Ayan, Aljon, at pasalamatan naman natin ang ating mga sponsor, Camsur Viaje, V-Art Gallery by NCF, Cap Azon Peñaflor, NCF Driving School, Willie & Sons, SMC Tenaga, Tigers Cafe, Wow Worlds of Water, AET Graphics Ad, and NCF Training Pool. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Back to the ball game tayo, Aljon. Serving jersey number 1, their team captain from the Blue Stallion, Ekal.
Taking her time to serve. A great serve. Good pick up by the Falcons.
Free ball ang ibibigay ng ating Lady Falcons.
Chance to manufacture a point. And it was straight to the net.
I think it was too low for the spiker of this Blue Stallion. Makikita natin dito na hindi na naitawid ang bola coming from that sequence.
So I have a question, Rex. Since you are playing volleyball way back in high school, gaano ba ka-importante ang magandang set para sa mga spikers?
So ang role ng setter natin dito is very crucial because siya ang gumagawa ng play dito sa loob ng court. So if you have a good communication towards your attacker, towards your middle blocker, dito sa ating setter, magkakaroon tayo ng magandang play at I'm sure makukuha ang puntos every set na igagawa ng ating mga setter.
That's right, Rex. So the setter is one of the backbones to win a match for the volleyball.
Serving jersey number 9. It was not over. Another service error coming from the side of Blue Stallion. Score update tayo, Aljon. 6/4. Lamang pa rin dito ang USA Lady Falcons.
Taking her time to serve. Number 12.
Set by number 14.
Chance to counter was a free ball.
Up by number 17, the setter. But it was picked up by the Blue Stallion.
Again, what a dig by the Falcons.
We are witnessing here a long rally and miscommunication coming from the side of Blue Stallion. So, abante dito ang ating USA Lady Falcons, 7/4. Dinig na dinig talaga dito, Aljon, ang fans ng both teams sa loob ng NCF covered court. Nakakarinig ako ng Go Falcons at ng Go Blue Stallions.
That's right, Rick. The overwhelming support of both teams is very palpable in this competition. And for the meantime, it was outside, point to the Stallions.
So, Aljon, as we can observe, marami nga ang nanonood sa atin dito, maingay ang crowd. So, ano ba ang na-feel ng ating mga player work under pressure during inside the court?
You know what, Rick? The supporters is actually a moral booster when it comes to this very tight competitions. So the supporters also have a role to push their team, to push their university at its best or at their best.
Tama yun, Aljon. At hindi ito madali para sa ating mga player kasi merong distraction at merong kaba na na-feel ang ating mga players. Pero dahil nga sa kanilang mental stability and physical strength dito sa ating laro, nagagawa nilang magkaroon ng play at magkaroon ng points.
And for the meantime, we are tied again. 7 apiece for this both teams.
Service error coming from jersey number 12 of Blue Stallion. Serving jersey number 7 for the Lady Falcons. Taking her time because serving is very important at this point of the game.
Serving Ibonya, their team captain.
1-2 play, but it was spread by jersey number 9 of Lady
A
Falcons.
push, it wasn't successful. Chance to counter for the Stallions. A good pick up by Ibonya. A push again. Chance to manufacture a point for the Stallions. It was good dig by number 2 of the Falcons.
Long rally. Kanino kaya mapupunta ang puntos na ito, Aljon?
Walang bitawan to dito sa dalawang team na ito. And it was outside.
So ang long rally na yon ay mapupunta sa ating USA Lady Falcons courtesy of that error coming from Blue Stallion.
Still serving their team captain, Ibonya.
Sharp serve.
A great hustle by the Stallions.
Free ball ang ibibigay ng
At
ating
pasok
Blue
yun, Rick.
Stallion.
1-2 play, it was dug up. A tight set. A good pickup by the Falcons.
Free ball ang ibibigay ng Lady Falcons sa ating Blue Stallion.
A good coverage. We're seeing a long rally here. Both teams is not giving up.
And a smart move coming from the side of Blue Stallion, jersey number 18. Amazing play coming from her. Nakita niya na walang taong nakabantay doon sa zone number 4. And puntos ay ibibigay sa ating CSPC. Isa na lang ang lamang ng ating Lady Falcons dito, 9 kontra 8 ng ating Blue Stallions. And with that service ace, tayo ay tie na sa game na ito.
We're now
Serving.
still tied, 9 apiece.
Serving jersey number 15 for Blue Stallion.
And that was straight to the net. Point to the Falcons.
So nakikita natin dito, Aljo, na in every point, merong celebrations na nagaganap dito sa ating Blue Stallion. So ano ba ang nagiging epekto nito sa kanilang gameplay? Yung palagi silang nagsa-celebrate every point during the game.
Again, the celebration or the huddle of the teams is very important to boost the teammates and to pop their self in order for them to boost their morale. So, importante ang pag-huddle ng teams para ma-reconnect and makakuha ng moral booster ang bawat isa dito sa ating hard court.
So tama nga naman, Aljan, at it paid off. Nakikita natin dito na nagkakaroon ng points itong ating Blue Stallion. For the meantime, dito naman sa side ng ating Lady Falcons, they are trying their best to prolong this game and they want to win this
And
set.
that was hit by the middle blocker of the Falcons.
But with that error, lamang dito ang ating Blue Stallion, 11-10. Serving jersey number 4 for the Blue Stallion. Nice service and nice pick up by their team captain, Yvonne.
It was outside, automatic point to the Stallions.
We have a timeout called by our USI Lady Falcons with a score of 12-10. This is Bucal Season 4 Women's Volleyball, only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
And we are back here live at the NCF Covered Court and live on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. The Blue Stallions is ahead to over 10 of the Lady Falcons. For the meantime, serving for the Blue Stallions. And it was straight to the net. It was 4 touches.
Ang
So I have
itatawag.
questions sa'yo, Rick. Ano nga ba yung 4 touches sa volleyball?
So, alam naman natin na dapat 3 beses lang ang bolang tumama dapat sa ating mga players pag ito ay naging 4 touches, ang itatawag ay error because gaya nga ng sabi ko, 3 touch lang dapat ang may project ng ating mga players inside the core. So, gaya ng sinabi kanina ng ating referee, it was called a 4 touches on the side of Lady Falcons.
So it was an automatic point for the Stallions.
And you know what, this kind of errors, it was a bit sad for the both teams because they are giving a free score sa kanilang kupunan.
For the meantime, serving the Falcon side. Chance to manufacture a point for the Stallions and finds the hole in that court.
Another miscommunication coming from the side of the USI Lady Falcons. So coming from that timeout, ano kaya ang magiging adjustment nitong Lady Falcons?
And
sa
it was
pagpapatuloy?
outside point to the Lady Falcons.
So they are ahead by 3. Again, they are ahead by 2 points. CSPC Blue Stallion, 14-12. Serving jersey number 9 for the Lady Falcons. Focusing and taking her time for that serve. Up by number 4.
Chance to manufacture a point for the Stallions. A free ball for them. Stallions. A great dig by number 9.
Nice up.
And it was not over point to the Stallions.
So again, error nga ang nagpapahirap dito sa side ng ating Lady Falcons na talaga namang minamaximize ng ating Blue Stallion. 10 more points at makukuha na ng Blue Stallion ang game na ito. At para naman sa ating USA Lady Falcons, if they want to prolong this game, they need to huddle and work hard inside the court.
That's right, Rick. Medyo malayo pa ang set na ito. USI must find the rhythm in order to somehow snatch this third set.
So again, on that last sequence, a down the line hit by the attacker of this Blue Stallion. So kahit sa ang side ng ating court, Algie, nakikita natin ang point production ng attackers ng ating Blue Stallions.
Now serving on the side of the Stallions, their team captain number 1.
Free ball coming from the Lady Falcons.
1-2 play, and it was good.
So the 1-2 play for the Blue Stallion is very effective. I feel the presence of our famous volleyball player like Gia Morado and Kim Fajardo on that sequence.
Still serving their team captain.
Jersey number 1, Ekal.
A strong serve. Chance to counter for the Falcons. A good pick up for the Stars. And it was miscommunication. Walang kumuha ng bola sa pagkakataon na iyon.
17-13 ang ating talaan ngayon, Algen. Abante pa rin dito ang ating Blue Stallion. Serving jersey number 2 for Lady Falcons. Up by the libero of the Blue Stallions. Set by number 17.
And that
And
was overcooked point to the Stallions.
An attack error was called and given to our jersey number 12 of Lady Falcons. So we are witnessing a substitution here for the side of Blue Stallion. Jersey number 9 to jersey number 6. And thank you so much again for our live viewers na nakatutok dito sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Shout out kay Karen K. Escaro na nanunood at sumusuporta dito sa ating laro.
A 1-2 play coming from the Falcons, and it was dug up by the Stallions. We are seeing now a long rally. And it was good!
A powerful down the line hit by jersey number 7 of USI Lady Falcons. Jersey number 12 is preparing for the serve. Nice serve.
And it was outside again. The service error of USI must be minimized in this third set.
At it's very crucial na ngayon kasi 19 na ang ating Blue Stallion. 6 na puntos na lang at kanila na talaga itong game number 1 ngayon.
We're seeing now a long rally, Rick. Chance to counter for the Falcons. A soft touch. 1-2 play, and it was good.
Again, it's jersey number 18 soaring and scoring for the side of Blue Stallion. So you can see the connection between the setter and the attacker of our Blue Stallion. And to give us a quick update from the side of Our Lady Falcons, courtside reporter Kyla. Hi Kyla, ano ang update natin dyan?
Rick and Aljon, lakas ng loob at tapang nga ang puhunan para makabawi this third set. Isa na lamang ang paalala ni Coach Krisha sa Lady Falcons at yan ang maging matapang sa loob ng court dahil tila nga ipinanghihinaan na sila ng loob. Makabawi pa kaya ang Lady Falcons this third set? Yan ang ating abangan. Back to you, Rick and Aljon.
To fight inside the court and their courage to stand up against the Blue Stallions. They are now down by 5 against, or they're down 6 in this third set. Lamang ngayon ng 6 na puntos ang ating Stallions.
Nice pick up by Lady Falcons.
A good coverage from the Stallions. And it
But
was outside.
So nakikita natin dito ang nice defense ng both team. Ayaw talagang ipabagsak ang bola sa ating floor. Serving jersey number 17 for Our Lady Falcons. Up by jersey number 4. And free ball coming from our Blue Stallion.
Chance to manufacture a point for Falcons. Overset. And they're lucky. It was overcooked by the Stallion side.
No ball touch ang itatawag dito ng ating referee. Again, serving jersey number 17 for Our Lady Falcons.
A great serve. A good hustle by the libero of the Stallions. Chance to manufacture for the Falcons. Block.
Great coverage.
1-2 play. And that was a lucky point for the Falcons.
Nakita niya doon ang butas sa side ng ating Blue Stallion kaya puntos ay ibibigay sa ating USI Lady Falcons. Ang ating talaan 21-18, lamang pa rin dito ang ating Blue Stallions. Again, serving jersey number 17.
And it was outside. But the CSPC is now feeling the win for their first match. Ang USI naman, kailangan nilang humabol dahil hindi pa ito tapos.
3 puntos na lang, Aljon. At talaga namang magkakaroon na ng victory party ang ating Blue Stallion. Pero I'm sure dito sa side ng ating Lady Falcons, hindi sila papayag na makuha ng basta-basta ang set na ito.
That was straight to the net. Point to the USI.
So Aljon, nakikita natin dito na 3 na lang na points ang ating Blue Stallion para makamit at makuha ang ating game number 1 na ito. So ano kaya ang magiging adjustment dito ng ating Lady Falcons?
A great serve. And it was a service ace coming from the Falcons.
So we have a problem on the side of the Blue Stallion. So Blue Stallion fans are cheering them up because of that sequence. But again, the spirit and the pride ang paiiralin dito sa game na ito para makuha nga nila ang kanilang first game na ito.
The Falcons is only need 2 points in order to tie up this Stallions.
So a timeout was called by our CSPC Blue Stallion. This is your Bucal Season 4 Women's Volleyball. Only here at GYMNASIUM Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampyon. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating set number 2.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
And we are back here live at the NCF covered court and live on GYMNASIUM Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon. Again, down 2 ang Falcons ngayon at ang Blue Stallions naman ay kailangan na lang ng 3 puntos para maipanalo ang third set na ito.
So,
We're now at but the Stallions is ahead by 3. They're feeling the win in this match against the Falcons.
and we are feeling the spirit of the crowd here, Aljon.
And it was outside. The Stallions is now match point.
So again, 1 more point at sa kanila ang game na ito dito sa ating triple header Saturday matchup. Nice
Chance
up
to
by number
manufacture
7.
a spike for Falcons, and that was effective. Point to the Falcons.
1 match point save on that sequence. Serving jersey number 9 for the Lady Falcons. So no room for error na dito ang Lady Falcons, Aljon.
That's
if
right,
they
Rick.
want to prolong this
They
game.
have to maximize their errors. A great serve. Chance to win. The set. Ebonia. And that was a score. Second save.
Another match point save by this Lady Falcons. So ramdam na ramdam talaga natin ang intensity ng laro dito sa loob ng ating venue, NCF covered court, Aljon.
They are down only 3.
Serving again, jersey number 9.
A great serve again! Humahabol ngayon ang USI Lady Falcons. Mainit ang bakbakan ng ating third set, Rick.
At Aljon, rinig na rinig talaga dito ang spirit ng ating crowd na talaga namang humiyaw ng Go Falcons at Go Blue Stallions. Maraming salamat sa inyong support.
That's right, Rick. Serving number 9 for the Falcons.
Another sharp serve.
Stallions. And it was a win for the CSPC Blue Stallions. And that's the end of our third set. It's 25-23 in favor of the Blue Stallions. And we will back to know more about our best player of the game. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
And we are back live here at the NCF covered court for your Bucal Season 4 Women's Volleyball. Yun nga, Aljon, nakuha na ng ating CSPC Blue
Kasama ko nga
Stallions
ngayon ang
nilang
best-
laro ngayong larong ito.
So the Stallions was able to sweep the USI Falcons with 3-0. They were able to maximize their spikes, their blocks, even their reception, and especially their strong service aces.
So these two teams portray a good play this afternoon. Pero hindi talaga may iwasang may mananalo at may matatalo. At yun na nga ang ating Blue Stallion. Even if it is their first game, kinuha nila ang larong ito.
So this both teams really showcasing the quality volleyball that we want to expect in this season. So talaga namang nagpakita ang dalawang grupo na ito ng kanilang talent sa volleyball. Pero this is a competition. One will gonna lose and one will gonna win.
And to know more about our best player of the game brought to you by Naga College Foundation, General Academics Track and Sport Track, let's call our courtside reporter all the way from the side of Blue Stallion, Eliza. Hi, Eliza.
Kasama ko nga ngayon ang best player of the game, ang nagpamalas ng bagsik ng Blue Stallions, jersey number 1, Rodeline Ekal na nakukuha ng 13 points, 22 good receptions, and 4 service ace. Rodeline, congratulations! Ano ang nafe-feel mo na ikaw nga ang best player at nagpamalas ng bagsik ng Stallions?
Super overwhelmed po ako kasi this is my first time na makasama dito sa Bucal Season 4.
Yes, Rodeline, ano nga ang mga aabangan namin sa susunod na mga games ng Blue Stallions?
Siguro po kailangan po pa po namin mag-prepare ng more training para po mapaghandaan yung mga upcoming games namin kasi kailangan pa po namin magpalakas. Yun.
That's right, ang daming ang sumuporta. Nagbiyahe pa sila 1 hour papunta dito sa Naga. Sino-sino ang mga gusto mong pasalamatan at batiin? Take it away.
Gusto ko pong batiin yung mama ko na nanonood, tas yung mga friends ko sa CSP, si Blue Stallion, tas yung mga friends, classmates ko, hi po sa inyo. Thank you po.
Alright, talaga namang tatak CSPC, galing CSPC. Yan ang pinamalas ni jersey number 1, Rodeline Ekal. Yan, marami pa ang mga susunod na kaganhindik-hindik na kagnapan dito sa GNN Sports TV. Again, this is Mary Bless Eliza Belen, your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4. Back to you, Alden and Rick.
And there you have it. Thank you so much, Eliza, for our best player of the game. So, Algin, ano kaya ang naging statistic nitong ating best player of the game sa larong ito?
Again, congratulations to the team captain of Blue Stallions, Rodalyn Ekay. She got 13 points, 22 or rather 22 excellent receptions and 4 service aces. So siya nga talaga ang umangat at ang ating best player of the game.
Kudos sa'yo, team captain.
We would like also to thank our online viewers. Thank you very much. Your overwhelming support. And to our Bucal sponsors as well, thank you very much. And our live viewers here at the NCF Covered Court, maraming salamat po.
So thank you so much for that support na coming from our live audiences here on the NCF Covered Court. Stay tuned tayo kasi meron pang mga parating na games ngayong araw na ito.
This has been your commentator, Aljon Pogoy, and
I'm Rick Puerta.
And tune up for more upcoming games. This is Bucal Women's Volleyball Season 4, only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good.